Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to properly install the hinge blocks onto the chassis of any Cyclone Rake model. You will need two 1/2-inch box wrenches or sockets. To attach each hinge block, position the round tube on the outside corner of the wide end of the chassis. Using the two 1/2-inch wrenches, attach each hinge block with the two 5/16 by 2-inch bolts, washers, and lock nuts provided. Tighten the bolts snugly, but don't crush the tubing. That's it. Time to move on to the next step.